Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, eager to start your own online store. You've got a great product idea, but where do you source the inventory? Enter Spocket. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Spocket on Shopify to streamline your dropshipping journey. Have you ever wondered how those online stores seem to have endless products without a warehouse in sight? Well, the secret often lies in dropshipping platforms like Spocket. Let's break down what Spocket is. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide, allowing you to sell their products without holding any inventory. Think of it as your virtual wholesale market. Setting up your Spocket account. Sign up, head over to Spocket's website and create a free account. Connect to Shopify, link your Shopify store to your Spocket account. This allows you to seamlessly import products from Spocket directly into your store. Finding the perfect products. Spocket offers a vast range of products to choose from. Here's how to find the right ones for your store. Search. Use Spocket's search bar to find products by keyword. Filters. Narrow down your search using filters like category, price, shipping time, and more. Trending products. Check out Spocket's Trending Products section for inspiration. Importing products to your Shopify store. Once you've found the products you love, it's time to add them to your store. Select products. Choose the products you want to import. Customize. Edit product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing as needed. Import. Click the Import button to add the products to your Shopify store. Managing orders and inventory. Spocket simplifies order management and inventory tracking. Automatic order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Spocket automatically sends it to the supplier. Real-time inventory updates. Spocket keeps your inventory levels up to date, ensuring you don't sell out of stock items. Shipping and fulfillment. Spocket offers various shipping options, including shipping profiles. Create shipping profiles to set shipping rates and options for different regions. Shipping methods. Choose from standard, expedited, or drop shipping methods. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Spocket's customer support team is ready to assist you. Tips for success with Spocket. Here are some tips to help you maximize your success with Spocket. Build a niche. Focus on a specific niche to attract a targeted audience. Quality over quantity. Prioritize product quality and customer satisfaction. Monitor performance. Track your sales and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Spocket can be a game changer for your dropshipping business. By following these steps and leveraging Spocket's features, you can efficiently source and sell products, reaching a wider audience and growing your online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.